Hi, I am KK Singh, GEG leader Agra. I am a Google certified educator, trainer, and innovator as well. So, what is GEG meant for? GEG is basically a Google Educators Group. Its aim is to spread the awareness about the Google application among the people or the educators. And in the same sequence or in the same series, I am going to bring a app that is the Google Sheet, which is a kind of spreadsheet. Likewise, as we have been doing work in Microsoft Excel, so Microsoft Excel is the spreadsheet where we can uh, give the data and manipulate. We can store the marks and manipulate. We can create the charts and we can make the analysis of the data. So that Microsoft Excel is the spreadsheet which is available offline. Means this is offline application which allows a user to work in offline mode, whereas the Google Sheet is web-based application. So web-based application means you have to log in to your ID first, then on the basis of your ID, because some space is given to you on the basis of your ID, that is called the Google Drive. So Google Drive space is meant for this. So whatever you are storing in your Google Sheets will be stored in the Google Drive. So since this is web-based application, it means you can you require the internet. So on internet, because on the internet, as soon as you log into your ID, you'll be able to create, or you will be able to open your spreadsheet. So this is spreadsheet. It is this the sheet or the spreadsheet where multiple people can work in real time, and you can say in other words that many people can collaborate the same sheet. So this is the best feature which makes the spreadsheet or the Google Sheet much more popular. So since I am going to give you the insights on the Google Sheet, so I am here. So before talking much on the Google Sheets, I'll take you to the Google Sheet. For that, so I'm here in the Chrome browser, because since this is the Google environment and I have logged into my ID. So this is my ID. See here, this is my ID, and on this ID I have these applications like Google Sheet, Google Docs, and Google Keeps, or Google Sites. So there are many things Google has provided us, which are free of cost. These applications are free of cost. So this is the biggest benefit of using Google tools. So here, this is Omnibox. In this Omnibox, I am going to write sheets.google.com. So here, as soon as I click or press enter, a window appears having multiple spreadsheets. So in these multiple spreadsheets, you may find your spreadsheet which you have created earlier, or you can create the new one, or you can use the template which are available here. These are templates given by the Google, so you can use any one of them as per your requirement. And these are the sheets which have been created earlier, and if you want to use any sheet to be loaded, or any sheet you want to look into, you can click on that sheet. The sheet will be opened in your work area. And here, this is a plus button which shows you can create the blank spreadsheet here. So as soon as you click on plus sign like this, since This is web based, so it takes time in loading. So once it is loaded, it comes with untitled spreadsheet, because there is nothing, this is just created. So this is untitled spreadsheet, so we'll have to give the name here. So give a prominent name like my first, say, data sheet. So the name is given, and along with it you will see there are options, and this is called the menu bar: file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extension, help, like other applications. Correct. So in addition, there is a format tool as well. So you can use directly, you can access these tools directly and apply these tools on your sheet. And here, this is the work area where you can see there is the alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this series goes up to triple Z, 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 and you can a spreadsheet or the Google Sheet has more than 10 millions of cells. Basically depends on the number of columns you have on this spreadsheet. So here this column is A, and these are the columns A, B, C, D, and E, and so on, and these are rows 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the combination of column and the row number makes a cell address. You see here. So if I click on this cell, you see the address of this cell will be A2, means column number A and row number 2. So this is the cell address. Similarly, if I click here, so this gives A4, means A is a column and 4 is the row number. So this way we can see the cell address and access the cell address. Correct. And other thing which I want to tell you, that in addition, see here, this is only sheet and the name is sheet 1, and if you want to take multiple sheets or more sheets, you click on this plus sign, so it will add the sheets here. Like this is a sheet 1, and you can click and rename it or make it duplicate, and you can use the colors also. And suppose I rename it and say my sheet number 1. So the sheet number, my sheet number 1 is this sheet. And if you want to add any extra sheet, you click on this sheet, add sheet. So just as soon as you click on plus button, so it creates a new sheet and it is added to the previous one, adjacent to the previous one. So sheet 2, again you can rename it and apply those whatever you have done with sheet number 1. So this way we can create the sheet, and as you know, the question arises, as you have said, the multiple people can work in real time. So how is this possible? Yes, this is possible because this sheet you will have to share with your group. So how to share it with the people? To share it with the people, I'll have to click on share button. So this is actually restricted sheet. Nobody can use it until you share it with the people. So I am the owner, so my name is there, and if I want to share it with the people, like if I want to share with this person, if I want to share with this person, if I want to share with the, say, this person, I want to share with this person. So I want to share this sheet with these 4 people, and 5th is me. Correct. So the same sheet will be shared among these people. And if you want to share the masses, like I have created sheet, and you can manage it in real time. Rather, you collaborate in real time. So once is message real time, and in addition we have a drop down menu here. It shows three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. And viewer says the viewer or the person you share the sheet with can view the data, view the content of this spreadsheet. It cannot change, it cannot write the sheet because the right is given as viewer. And if you give the person right as commenter, the commenter can only comment, but it cannot change the data of this spreadsheet. And if you have given the right like editor right, then editor right means the person is able to change the spreadsheet, change this sheet, and write whatever the person wants, and it can apply formula whatever the person wants. He can do it or she can do it. And after that, if you click on this send button, this sheet will be shared to these people, whoever I have mentioned here. So this sheet will be appearing in their inbox of mail ID inbox, and from there the people can click it and open it. Now they can edit it. If they have the edit rights, they can view it. If they have the viewer right, they can comment it if they have the commenter right. So these are the basics of Google Sheets. So these are the basics, and we'll be discussing more things about the Google Sheets in our next video. Uh, so if you have any issues on this video or this spreadsheet, let me know through your description box. If you post any message, I'll definitely reply your message. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification as and when the video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.